Hi there, Silver Young Solo Traveler. This is Aya. We would love to travel, but we have some issue with the packing because we don't want to pay extra, especially when you travel on budget. So today the topic will be the 6 best packing cube ever. So it's an article written by Caroline Moore of Smarter Travel. Packing cubes are one of the best ever inventions for organizing and maximizing space in your luggage. So here are the best packing cube. We have rounded up 6 of the best packing cube out there, with options including tear resistance, waterproofing, and space-saving function to suit every kind of traveler. Number 1 is Eagle Creek Gear Packet Spectre Compression Cube Set. If you tend to fill your suitcase to almost bursting, you need a packing cube that will help you save a little space, like the Eagle Creek Travel Gear Packet Spectre Compression Cube Set. These space savers have a dual zipper system that help condense your stuff to take up a little less space. Just roll clothing and put them in these cubes. Number 2, transverse waterproof PVC travel packing cube. Camping, boasting, or heading to the beach, keep your clothes protected from sand and water with a transverse waterproof PVC packing cube. The clear PVC keep your belongings safe inside, or work the opposite way if you want to fill them with wet towels or swimsuit and keep everything else in your bag dry. Shake Pack. The Shake Packs are the highest rated packing cube in Amazon. They earn high mark from reviewers for the durability and rooming size. Their unique X design help the bag to maintain their shape. Uncharted Ultralight Packing Cube. Packing cube can be a double-edged sword. You can fit way more in your suitcase, but then your bag became overweight thanks to everything you stuff inside. Don't add on any more weight than you have to. Instead, get the Uncharted Ultralight Packing Cube, which are made from an incredible lightweight nylon. Each bag weighs just 4 ounces. Away inside the packing cube. You might already know Away from its high-tech line of carry-on bags, but did you know it also has a super compact 4 packing cube set made from waterproof nylon to protect your clothes no matter what your luggage go through. These babies are the real deal when it comes to proper packing. Travis Gear Space Saver Bag for Travel. The Travis Travel Gear Space Saver Bag are perfect for winter travel when you are bringing heavier, bulky clothing, or for anyone who wants to fit a lot into a small suitcase. These bags are a travel-friendly version of the vacuum space saver. We all have seen it on TV. They get all the excess air out and tamp down your clothes. And like the one on TV though, they do not need a vacuum to work. They have a one-way air valve instead. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. Bye bye.